Hi everyone, it's Michele Curtin with Cartwright Realty of Tampa, shellsellsfloridahomes.com. You can reach me at 813-693-2224. And I am here doing an open house today, Saturday, April 20th, from 12 to 3 p.m. So come on out and tour this lovely home, and then also hang around, because one of the things that Hampton has to offer is lots of different activities for the residents. And so today we're having a music festival. So from 2 to 7 p.m., we've got about 4 or 5 different blues bands that are coming out. There's a big empty field, and we set up a stage at one end of it, and we've just got nonstop music all afternoon. There's food trucks, there's vendors. You can bring your own wine and beer and just come on out and, set up a blanket on the field or a canopy and have a great time. So that's just one of my favorite events here in Hampton, but there's so many more. We have a full-time activities director that comes up with all kinds of things for us to do. And then, of course, Cartwright Realty has a ladies' night out once a month on the third Thursday of the month. And then on the fourth Tuesday of the month, there's a ladies' bunco group that meets, and both of those events are always well attended and a lot of fun. And then there's things for the kids and just all kinds of activities. So in addition to that, Hampton has a heated resort-style pool, a lap pool, fitness center, clubhouse, tennis courts, basketball courts, walking trails, fishing piers and ponds throughout that are stocked with fish. And it's a catch and release program, so you can, you always have something to catch. So it's such a great neighborhood. I really encourage you to come on out and check it out. Again, the open house is today, 12 to 3 p.m., 20118 Bending Creek Place, Tampa, Florida, 33647. And it's in Hampton. So just go through the guarded gate, which is another feature. And then they'll give you a flyer with details on the house and directions. So speaking of the house, it is being offered at $345,000, and it's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, a large bonus room or man cave upstairs. I'm trying to see the square footage, 2743 square feet. So you'll see as we walk through it, it's a really great floor plan and beautiful finishes. So let me flip the camera around here and show you one of my favorite spots, which is this really tranquil backyard. Look at this. It's beautiful. A screened-in lanai is what we call it here in Florida. Everywhere else in the country calls it a porch, but we like fancier words here in Florida. So you've got a screened lanai, and then you've got a lake right here. So lake view, sort of partial lake view, because there is some conservation back here. But a large yard, so if you wanted to put a pool in, you still could. And then check out the hardwood floors, which are lovely. This is the great room. And then that leads into the eat-in kitchen and granite countertops, stainless appliances, super fancy fridge, beautiful tile backsplash, which is in a classic pattern, which I prefer. I really like that. And then tile floor in the kitchen, which holds up better to food spills and so on than wood anyway. And then here's, off of the family room, is the master bedroom. And you see these beautiful tray ceilings and the canned lights, which are great. And then go through this hallway, and you've got his and hers walk-in closets. Let me open one of those so you can see. It's very spacious. And then, hello. Come into the master bedroom or bathroom, and you've got a beautiful soaker tub with jacuzzi jets and a beautifully tiled stand-up shower, nice window treatments, double sinks with a marble finish, and then the private commode here, and a linen closet. So I see some people are coming on, but this isn't letting me see who you are. So try dropping me a comment or a like or a heart so that I know you're here. And if it comes through to me, I'll say hi to you by name. But I don't know why that sometimes works and sometimes doesn't. And for those watching on YouTube, obviously I'm filming this originally on Facebook, so that's the purpose of the likes and the hearts. So we've got a large pantry here in the kitchen, and then a formal dining room and a formal living. But as you see, it's all kind of one big space, so you could really create anything you want in here. The flow of this house is perfect for entertaining. And then in the foyer, we've got the tile floors, really spacious foyer, and more canned lighting, which is wonderful. I cannot get enough canned lights. And then here you've got your doorway to the two-car garage, and then a nice big laundry room with shelving. And then this is one of the secondary bedrooms that here is set up as an office. So nice and spacious. All the bedrooms here are very, very nicely sized. And then to the right of the front door, we've got one bedroom. And let me walk through here and show you the front porch. I guess we'll walk out in a minute. I'll show you the front of the house. But I love this little front porch. If you can picture rocking chairs out there and waving to your neighbors, it'll help you get acclimated right away to the new neighborhood. And then so across from that bedroom is another bedroom. And then they share this beautiful bathroom. And I love the way our friend Dana has decorated it. It's very cute. And beautiful shower curtain. I love that, but that doesn't come with the house. And beautiful tile work in this bathroom as well. So, and then across from there is a linen closet. And so that's it for the first floor. So most of your living space is on the first floor. But then we've got steps leading to the bonus room, also known as a man cave. So check this space out. This is just enormous. And it does have a closet up here too. So if you wanted to somehow fashion a door here, you could actually make this into a fifth bedroom. But it's just a really, really nice space up here. It's huge. So I know if it were my men here, they would have Sean McGuire build them a stacked stone wall here with 3 or 4 or 5 TVs. Turn it into a total media center. That's what we did in our house. And Sean McGuire can be found on Facebook under McGuire Creatives, or McGuire Creative, singular. And he does beautiful work with like TV walls and fire pits and lots of really creative projects for your home and garden. So now we're going to walk out here and you can see how tranquil this street is. This is Bending Creek Place in Hampton, and just a beautiful, beautiful setting. So check out this huge porch, the front patio. And then my friend Bill is around the corner hiding. Bill is with Mortgage Plus. Say hi, Bill.
Hello, everyone.
You can run, but you can't hide.
I was trying to.
So how are rates doing these days?
Rates are as low as they've been.
That's awesome.
It's a good time for purchasing or refinancing.
That's great. How can they reach you if they want to talk to you more about that?
My number 847-863-1423. Or email is bill.heiser@mortgageplusinc.com.
Great. And how do you spell Heiser?
Heiser.
Awesome. So yeah, definitely call or text Bill if you want to find out more about what's happening in this hot real estate market and how you can get the best rate on a loan and the best terms. Bill is your guy. So with that, I'm gonna flip this around and sign off. So again, come and see us, or if you would like a private showing of this or any other property, you can reach me. I'm Michele Curtin at shellsouthfloridahomes.com, 813-693-2224. And I'm with Cartwright Realty, and I will be happy to take great care of you and all of your real estate needs. Have a great day, everyone.